And so you can see our obstacle course, our start line is right here, and we proceed up onto this first ramp and up and over. We then come through this obstacle, hitting the can and trying to pass through it. And then we basically make our way around here, go around these without trying to hit them. Up our ramp, which is a little bit tricky because you got to hit it right, over the rumble board. And then we hit our moat, where you got to hit it just right in order to be able to pass through. We then proceed on to our next obstacle, where we have to pass over the Play-Doh, through the cart and through the bricks, passing the inside of that obstacle, and then we go through our tunnel, up along another rumble board, through a tunnel there. And our next challenge, through our car wash, which is a tunnel, pass up the ramp, down over the ramp, around our corner once again, and finally we hit our last obstacle, where we've got to come up and over the ramp and tunnel before we hit our finish line.